stay high, I'm never.
It's my uncle.
Naona kazi ni wasichana tu. Yeah? Yeah, the Bible says in Proverbs 31:3-7, do not spend all your energy on sex and women, for they have destroyed kings. Your entire life can be destroyed by a 5-minute sex.
Ndio maana na dada katatu.
My son, yes? When I was your age,
toka hapa.
My lord. Soya yourself. I am Jose Mourinho.
I stay high, I'm never.
Hello, sasa Kadong.
Poa sana.
By the way, next week siko job.
Okay.
So sinaweza kuja kwako sleepover hii Friday.
Kwani nyinyi wote mnataka hii Friday?
My lord. Soya yourself. I am Jose Mourinho.
I stay high, I'm never.
Bestie.
Poa sana.
Uko kwa hao?
Niko.
I'm coming sai.
Safi. Huyu lazima niombe mechi leo.
Kadong. Sasa.
Niko fiti. Have a seat.
Thank you. Aki Kadong, you're a very nice guy. You're like a brother to me.
Are you playing?
Hizo siku zote nimeishi kukuja hapa. You've never thought of sleeping with me.
Nimefikiria leo. Panda kwa bed.
Simbo. Soya yourself. I am Jose Mourinho.
I stay high, I'm never.
Hello, sasa Kadong.
Poa sana.
Tulikuwa tunataka utupe 10k.
In return,
tutashusha nyavu.
sawa basi. Niko kwa nyumba.
Sawa, tukikaribia kwako, tutakupigia.
Sawa. We rise by lifting others.
Soya yourself. I am Jose Mourinho.
I stay high, I'm never.
Sasa Rizka,
Poa sana.
bado nakumbuka Friday ni birthday yetu.
Nakumbuka. Nitatumia kitu. Wow. Kwa hii namba ama?
Kwa hii namba.
Sawa.
Asante. Sasa Gidhua,
poa sana.
bado nakumbuka Friday ni birthday yetu.
Nitasahau aje. Hiyo siku. Mizinga zote on me.
Asante. Sasa Kadong,
Poa sana.
bado nakumbuka Friday ni birthday yetu.
In case msahau, nitawakumbusha.
My lord. Soya yourself. I am Jose Mourinho.
So Dad, meet my boyfriend.
Nice to meet you. My name is Kadong Mwangi.
Oh, Kadong Mwangi?
Yes.
Okay, he's the boy you've chosen.
Yes.
He's a good guy.
Wow.
So, young man.
Yes.
You love games?
I love games.
Let's play a game.
Bring it on.
Pick a number between 1 and 10 million.
In this life, always aim high. Upgrade your conviction to match your destiny.
I am Jose Mourinho.
10 million.
All right, young man. Then that's the dowry I want for my daughter.
God have mercy upon
Sad to say, I'm on my way. Won't be back for many days.
Hello, babe. Sasa?
Poa sana.
And by the way, I have a game that I want us to play.
A game? Bring it on. I love games.
Choose a number between 1 to 40,000.
5.
Are you sure we choose 5?
Yeah, 5.
Aya, sawa, relax.
MC, Steve, MCA, USA.
Wait a minute.
Choose a number between 1 to 40,000.
Babe, niko na haraka. I need to go to class. Oh, and babe, remember to shave down there. I like it clean. Bye.
Hello babe.
Hello?
Sasa,
Poa sana.
unakumbuka nakuja weekend?
Yeah, nakumbuka.
And remember, don't shave. I like it bushy. Bye. I love you.
Sijui hata nifanyeje, sijui hata nifanye nini mimi. I stay high, I'm
Hey, sasa Tess.
Poa sana.
Si ukamu hapa hivi kijani.
Ah, sawa. 1 minute I'll be there.
See you.
Wow.
Sasa.
Poa sana.
Kwaje?
Have a seat.
Thank you. Hello, sasa Kadong.
Poa sana.
Kisi, unaweza niokolea 2K urgently.
Let me see what I can do.
Aki Kadong, unaweza nisaidia na 2K urgently.
Urgently.
Asante. Kadong, nimekuja niambie.
I want to sleep with you urgently. Panda kwa bed.
Simbo. I am Jose Mourinho.
Hello, Mustafa Kadong.
Poa sana.
Umekuaje long time?
Ai, ni unamba. Ni nani?
Ebu guess.
Wewe niambie ni nani?
Guess tu.
Hapana, niambie ni nani.
Okay. Acha nikupee hint. Jina yangu imeanza na
My lord.
When niambie, ebu decide, it's not your time. Here with us. When niambie, ebu decide.
I stay high on them.
Babe, you are cheating on me.
Babe, si vinyo unafikiria. It's April Fool's Day.
But tuko January.
My lord.
Sad to say, I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a days.
Acha usikia. Hello?
Hello.
Ni aje Tess?
Poa sana sasa.
Mimi niko fiti.
Aha.
Si ukamu hivi hapa kijani.
Ayaya, aki niko home na tuko na madhina. Nikimwacha peke yake ataboeka.
Si basi ufanye aje?
Aha.
Mkuje na yeye tuko na niko hapa.
Simbo. Simbo. Soya hiyo sauti. I am Jose Mourinho.
Na siku hizi sinakula likes Facebook.
Walai. Si basi ufanye aje? Unipost.
I don't post broke men.
Ndio maana hujai post babako.
My lord. Soya hiyo sauti. I am Jose Mourinho.
Ni unamba.
Hello.
Hello?
Yani, after kupata kenye ulikuwa unataka, uliamua ninyamazie. You don't pick my calls. You don't reply to my text messages. You know what, Kadong? Yes. This relationship, it's over.
Ni mugani?
Are you playing?
I am Jose Mourinho.
This is my girlfriend. Today I want to prank her.
Sasa.
I'm good. Babe, I want to tell you something.
What's that?
I saw you kissing one of my friends.
I can explain. Oh, sawa babe, I love you.
Okay, I love you too.
And take care.
Yes. You see, that was my wife. The love of my life.
Wow.
I don't know where I could be without that woman. Can I have your number?
Are you playing?
I love your Nyash. 07.
I am Jose Mourinho.
Babe,
Wow.
sifunge mlango.
You get it?
Leo staki.
I am Jose Mourinho.
I stay high on them.
shouldn't be doing this, Kadong.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
Coming from a person who reduced my savings to 0. With all due respect, Jackie. Panda kwa bed.
Simbo! I am Jose Mourinho.
Kadong.
Yes.
Nisaidie 2K urgently.
2K urgently Sheila. Kama serikali yenyewe inakupatia 500. Mtatoa wapi 2K?
Nilijua huwezi kuwa na kitu. In fact, you smell broke.
Yeah. I used your dad's perfume.
I am Jose Mourinho.
Kadong, welcome to Beijing, China.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Now, in China, you must try the Chinese tea. So, I want you to try the oolong tea. Okay, try it and enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. How is it?
Tasteless.
Yes, that's the way it's supposed to be. No. We don't put sugar in the tea because it's supposed to be hot water only.
What about some milk?
No, that's for babies.
Okay.
Yes. This is the healthy way to go.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Nice.
Ta huonyi wulong cha gangandi